So we're down here in Balham in southwest London. This is another project the lads started yesterday. So what we're going to be doing on this project is we're removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork using the doff machine. So removing the old layers of paint off all of the brickwork. Very labour intense process. Removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork. It's quite stubborn paint on this one. Nothing that we can't handle, but just a very slow process. So you can see the original tuck pointing that the property had originally before it was all covered in paint. See the original backing mortar there. So I had to carry on with this paint removal, and then we'll be cutting out and replacing whatever bricks are going to need cutting out and replacing with matching imperial bricks. I'll show you upstairs. Customers having a big loft conversion done at the moment, so quite a few trades on site. Yeah, so moving all of this paint, and I think we're repointing all of this in natural lime mortar in a Pennywell finish. We did a house on this road back end of last summer. Customers see that job and was really impressed with how that looked, so got this job off the back of that one. I think we're also doing all of the decoration on here, so getting all of the old paint off all of the stonework on all of the window sills, blowing all of that off, and then decorating all the stonework. Customers having new windows fitted in a couple of weeks' time, so we're here first, getting all the dirty, dusty work done before the nice new windows go in. But yeah, so far so good. There'll be more progress once we get this paint off. All of this dog teeth brickwork here, all these moulded bricks, all the parapet will all be done as well, both sides. So yeah, this is what we're up to on another project over in Balham. So we'll show you some more progress once all this paint's off, the bricks have been cleaned, and get some more videos once that part's been done. So this will be a real nice transformation when it's finished. I believe we're doing a nice thorough and ball colour on all of the stonework as well. We're going to get some paint samples for the customer and showing some different finishes, some Wimbledon whites and maybe some Dilatory paint, and then take it from there. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Balham in southwest London. This is another project all completed now. So what we did on this project was we removed all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Used to look like the house next door, so removed it all with the doff machine, cleaned all the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks, repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a Pennywell finish. We've just finished the decorating here as well. So what we did was, it wasn't a full burn off, we just burnt off all of the paint on all of the window sills and a few of the window heads where needed. Squared all of the window sills up, all of the decoration work to all of the masonry. Just give you a little close up of how it all looks. Come out really nice. This nice colour paint customer went for to match the new sash windows. So all of the Pennywell pointing all the way through has all been done. All of the window sills, all of the bases, everything's lovely and sharp. All of the corbels all been squared up. Really lovely smooth finish on all the decoration work. Upstairs, same sort of thing as always. All of the pointing all the way through there. All the capitals all been rubbed down and made good. All of the Pennywell pointing all the way through there. And that's another job finished and completed to the high standard. Once again, customers, as always, really happy with the quality of work, the finished product, over the moon. So this is the second one we've done on this road in the last 6 months. I've got another one to do for another customer down the end of the road, another paint removal job. Really like the look of this project. I'm really impressed with the quality of work, so they're all booked in for another job on this road. So once again, if you've got any questions, we'd like a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much.